Hi, today we are going to study about ITL V3, that stands for Infrastructure Technology Infrastructure Library. The topic is Service Design, prepared by Bharti Singh, ITL certified. So today our topic is service design. So what is service design? To understand about service design, look at this picture. Whenever we do any kind of project, any kind of meeting to give a successful establishment, any innovative, any creative thing, so that is we call as service design in simple language. So technically if we are going to study what is service design, so here are the design of appropriate and innovative IT service, including their architecture, process, policies, and documentation, meet current and future agreed business requirement. We call that service design. That are identify and manage risk, develop skills and capabilities within IT. So that is all about service design, which include in our services to design, to establish the services in IT infrastructure. Next comes the design process to support the service life cycle. Design measurement, method and metrics. Design services to meet agreed business outcomes and contribute to the overall improvement in IT service quality. So the six points which are very important for service design. First is to identify and manage risk. If you are establishing any innovative things in IT service department to provide a particular service design, so first we need to identify and manage the risk. Second is to develop the skill and capability within the IT industry, which that means what are the requirements. Third comes the design measurement methods and metrics. What metric, what method, what measurement we are going to establish over there. So the third thing is very much important. We also call as planning. Fourth is design process to support the service life cycle. When we are planning anything in service design for IT or infrastructure based technology, we supposed to take some few processes to provide the support to service life cycle. And design services to meet agreed business outcomes that we call internal and external. And the thing is contribute to overall improvement in IT service quality. That is we called as life cycle. To understand in deep matter, first come our service design. In service design, we have several things to understand. What are the proper methods in what is called as procedure. First come your service catalog management. That means what are the things we have to involve in the process or called as project. Second comes your service level management. We design our service level management in three ways: small, medium and large. Third comes your availability management. That means how many managers would be there, how many deputy managers would be there, how many team members would be there, and how we are going to giving support to that particular team in metrics way. Fourth comes your capacity management. That means the availability of the customer and how much space we are going to give in life cycle procedure. Supplier management, your internal and your external things. Information security management, that is the major part of any project. Your computer, your virus, your secret software we don't have to disclose over intranet or internet. And next, your service continuity management. That means overall view done by service continuity management. Next, the first thing to deep understand what is service catalog. Service catalog is what? Here are the pictures. For an example, to understand in an easy way, if you go into any restaurant or any hotel, you have to see the things, what in this hotel, what are the specialties. So we see the menu card. So in simple language, to understand what is service catalog, taking an example, that is a hotel or a restaurant menu card. The services are service sources of information for all the service offering includes operational and transition services. Types of service catalog, business service catalog and technical service catalog. So first we're going to understand what is business service catalog. Business service catalogs are used by relationship manager to win a business, consist list of all IT services which are important for customer's business process, visible to customer. That means used by relationship manager to win a business. That I have already told you that for a restaurant, to see the specialty of that restaurant, you can see the menu card. Visible to customer, that means he can see all the things what is available in that menu card or in that restaurant. Next comes your technical service catalog. Technical service catalogs are used by relationship manager to know the capability and limit of business service catalog. It contains all the backup or supporting services for services shown in business service catalog. So this is all about service catalog in service design. Next comes service level management. Service level management, you can see the picture to understand what is service level management. We can also, in shortcut, we can also represent as SLM. It negotiates, agrees and the document appropriate IT service target with the business and then monitors and produce report of delivery against the agreed level of services. Service level manager. There are many ways to understand the service level manager. First comes your process owner. Second, review and reporting. Third, maintaining an effective service level management process by defining SLAs, OLA and UC. SLA, that means service level agreement. OLA, operational level agreement. And UC, that is user acceptance construction. Updating the existing, that is the same what I have told you earlier, SLA, SIP, OLA and UC. Reviewing and improving the performance of the ID organization to meet agreed service level. Next comes is availability management. You can see in the picture I have mentioned time. That means on which time, what kind of services we are going to get. 24/7 into 36. That means your 24 hours, 7 a day, 365 days. So the purpose of availability management is to provide a point of focus and management for all availability related issues relating to services, component and resources, ensuring that availability targets in all the areas are measured and achieved. Key concepts of availability management. First comes your availability. The availability of a services, component or configuration items is to perform its agreed and expected functions whenever required. Next comes your reliability. Implies how long the specified service is available for the required period without any interruption or failure. Next comes the service availability. Availability of the third-party supplier to provide the expected services to service provider. And the fourth comes is maintainability. How easy it is to maintain or recover a service, component or configuration items. So these things comes under availability management. Moving to the next part, that is capacity management. This picture is reflecting that a man is supporting some kind of thing which is the capacity. How much capacity he has to support the things. So, which includes the capacity management that are business, service and components. Capacity management across the life cycle. That means how much the team members, how much your project manager have the capacity to hold the things in a proper way, as we called in IT industry. A key success factor in managing capacity is ensuring that it is considering during the design stage. Moving to the next part of capacity management, that is key concept. Capacity plan, capacity management information, we also called as CMIS. And next moving, it is business service and component capacity management. Performance management, modeling and application sizing. This all comes under capacity management. As we have seen that in the arrow part, we have moved to supplier management. Supplier management. Supplier management is very much important in our world as universe. All the people need basic things on day-to-day life. So, understanding the supplier management, it depends on the process how supplier supplies the services to the person or people in this world for a particular project. Supplier management process ensure that supplier and the services they provide are managed to support IT service targets and business expectations. Here are some key service design stage activities. Business requirements collection, analysis, and engineering to ensure they are clearly documented. Design and development of appropriate service solutions, technology, process, information and measurement. Production and revision of all design process and documents involved in service design. So this comes under supplier management. Moving to the next part, that is information security management. As I have mentioned earlier also, these are the whole part of the IT system that's supposed to, that is we called in simple language, security. ISM, Information Security Management process, is to align IT security with business security and ensure that information security is effectively managed in all service management activity, such as information is available and usable whenever required. That is called availability. Information is observed by or disclosed to only those who have a right to know. That is called confidentially. Information is complete, accurate, and protected against unauthorized modification, integrity, business transaction, as well as information exchange can be trusted. So in simple saying, that means information security management is to secure your IT things within your infrastructure, we call that intranet. And to whom we are giving this right, that is only secure to that particular person, not going to share with any other one. So this all about information security management. Moving to the next part, service continuity management. Service continuity management, we also called as SCM, is to maintain the appropriate ongoing recovery capability within IT service to match the agreed needs, requirements, and time scale of the business. IT SCM includes series of activities throughout the life cycle to ensure that once service continuity and recovery plans have been developed, they are kept aligned with business continuity plan and business priorities to maintain of appropriate IT SCM policy, strategy, and IT SCM plan aligned with business plan is key to success of ITSCM process. ITSM policy strategy means what? IT stands for Information Technology. As we are studying the Service Continuity Management, so ITSCM is Information Technology Service Continuity Management. So whenever any project is going to follow the strategy, the policies are the mandatory one to understand the things and to apply in our service life cycle. So this all about comes under Service Continuity Management. This can be accomplished by the regular completion of business impact analysis and risk management exercise. So, in life cycle, regular completion of business impact analysis and risk management exercise are also important to establish our project in a proper way. Moving to understand about the service design, examples are, as I have mentioned, very small example to understand the things in very easy way. For an example, your Domino's Pizza. In hope, if you think that you want a Domino's Pizza at your doorstep, you need to do one thing only. You have to make a call to Domino's Pizza, take your order, and within half an hour they will drop that pizza at your doorstep. So that is called a service design. So service design is all about making the services to deliver useful, usable, efficient, effective, and desirable. Domino's Pizza, I have mentioned this example to understand things in very easier way. It's all about actual thing which service designer might call touch point, delivering the order on time, right time as per customer preference. So, hope you understand about the Domino's Pizza. That means for the delivery charges, they don't charge you anything. It's free of cost. Only the thing is, you have to order the pizza via call. Nothing else. So, these are all about service design. Thank you so much.
Leaving the conference.
Oh God.